welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, hey, it's Christmas time. So I wanted to film me decorating my tree. I got some rose gold silver ornaments. I think that's the vibe I'm gonna go with. I think I'm gonna need more, but let's just see what we do for today. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's get into it. These black trees are so messy, as you can see. Don't mind that for now, because I'm not gonna vacuum it until after. Why? I hope all these lights work. Y'all like my hair? I need some more lights. So let me go check in the garage and see if I can find some more lights. Alright, so she lit. She got me sneezing. I don't have corona though. So aren't these so cute? They're so cute. I wanted to do this last year. I got these from Amazon, so do y'all have any Christmas traditions? Like, leave it in the comment below. Do y'all do PJs on Christmas Eve? Do y'all open gifts on Christmas Eve, on Christmas Day? I know some people do like a Christmas breakfast and all kind of stuff. Do y'all do family pictures and send out little cards? Let me know below. Alright, so I'm back. I've been putting on more ornaments. Let me see if I can come closer. So I've been putting on more ornaments now. This is the last 4 from the pack. They're so cute. I don't know. I'm probably not gonna buy any more of the rose gold. If I do buy any more, it'll probably be like some silver ornaments. Oh, it's more than 4 in here. Can I not count? Like 8. But these are cute. And I've dropped them. And I think they're shatterproof because they have not broke. I've dropped a few of them. So that's a good thing if Zaya does get to them. Hey baby, you like the tree? Hey! Say hey! Hey YouTube! Alright, so that is it for the ornaments. Let me take this off so you can see it better from the top. They are super cute. I love the rose gold. It looks more gold on camera, but it's definitely rose gold, these. Super cute. I still feel like I need some, there's like some holes in it. Y'all need to fluff out more, but this is how we're looking. All right, so next I got this ribbon. It's rose gold in the middle and then gold on the side. I got this from Amazon. So we gonna see how this works. I've never put ribbon. I hope it just curls up on itself. My mom would always put ribbon on her tree. It always looks so cute. So I hope it's enough to do at least like 3 long little ribbons down. How do people make their ribbons curl? I don't know. I don't know how people make their ribbons curl. So let's see. I'm not sure. Does anybody know how to make the ribbons curl? Please comment below because I don't. But this will do for now. I like it like that. Or should I wrap it around the tree? What y'all think? I don't know. I'm gonna try and like wrap it around the tree. Because I don't know if it's because it's not curly. I'm not really liking the little falling ribbon look. So I'm gonna try wrapping it around the tree. I don't know if I'm not doing the ribbon right or what. What is it? It's not right. I need my mama here. Something not right. How y'all do ribbon? I've never done ribbon before. But I mean, it's okay. I need my mama. Let me turn off the lights though. It's not bad. It's not bad. And I think I'm going to use the rest of the ribbon to make like a little ribbon star on the top. But it's not bad. So I found some more ornaments in the garage from years ago. So I think I'm gonna put this on. The only thing is I've lost the hooks to them. So as many hooks that I have, then I'll put them on. I'm gonna have to go get some more hooks. I also found this. But yeah, that's not gonna match. So I'm gonna stick to the plan of making the ribbon star from this. And I should have enough ribbon to make a nice star or a bow, whatever. So yeah, let me put these few on and see what's popping. They're so cute. They have like the little glitter. I don't know if you can tell with the, turn off this light. They have like the little glitter. It's so cute. So let's do a final look for now. Make sure you're following me on Instagram _ChrissyFaith, because I'm probably gonna post on there when I'm completely done. But it is so cute. right, y'all, so this was my Christmas tree decorating vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If y'all have some tips on a tree, any extra things you think I should do to my tree to make it look better, please let me know. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Happy holidays.